Okay. So, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
Okay. Yes.
What about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you. Yes. Please listen here. Just tell me what did we learn in the previous class?
Drawing tools.
Drawing tools. I agree. Yes.
Drawing tools and coloring tools. Drawing tools and coloring tools and rubber tools and tools
And
color tools
and
color tool.
uh, pick a color tool. Okay.
Eraser tool
Eraser tool, pencil tool. Okay. Now I'll read out the names of the tools, the drawing tools. Tell me if we have learned it or not, okay? Yes, tell me yes or no. Pencil tool,
Yes.
eraser tool,
Yes. Yes.
fill with color tool,
Yes. Yes.
text tool,
Yes.
magnifier tool,
Yes.
pick color tool,
Yes.
brush tool.
Yes.
Yes, we have learned. Okay, so with that I guess we have completed most of the tools. I told you we'll see the shape tools once more, isn't it? Shapes. Remember the shapes that we saw?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So we'll see the shape tools in today's class, and also we'll learn how to save the paint file. Okay? Shall we see that now? Yes. As of now, you can just close your books. Just keep your pencil or pen inside the book and then close it and sit straight. Sit straight and look at the board. Sarah, I asked you to put it down. Okay. I'm sharing the screen. So listen here. Okay. Tell me the spelling of paint again. I-N-T, paint. Yes, paint. What is this called? Paint window. Yes, this window is called the paint window. Yes, very good. And what is this white area called? Very good. Drawing area. This is called the drawing area. Wonderful. Alright. Now, listen carefully. We are going to use the shapes tool one by one. In the previous class I showed you which are the important ones. We'll try and use them today. Okay. So I'm selecting the maroon color first. We'll start with the lines. The first one, see the lines that we can see here. I've selected the line. Can you see it being selected? A blue colored background has come, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to draw a long sleeping line here. You have to click and then drag it. Okay. First click and then drag it. Can you see a long line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's a sleeping line. Now we'll draw a standing line here. Just click and then drag it. Okay? That is a standing line. We can also draw slanting lines. Just click and then drag it. How do you do it? Just click and then drag it. With your mouse you have to make a click and then drag. Without leaving that click, you have to drag. See? This is how you use the line shape. Which is the shape?
Line shape.
Yes, from the shapes tool we have the lines. Okay. Now, The second one is the tricky one. We saw in the previous class. What was the name of the second one? The one that I selected now? Anyone? Very good. It's called a curve. So, listen. What you have to do with the curve is that just as we drew with the line, we have to draw a line with the curve tool also. Okay, first of all, draw a line with the curve tool. Then, just pull it whichever way you want it to be curved. If it is like this, like this. If you want it to be like a wave, you do it like this. Understood? I'll show you once more. See, I do it like this, put it like this, and I put it like this. See? Became a wave. Now, if I want just, I want a curve like a hill, I'll draw a line like this, I put like this, and I put like this. That's it. Done. Okay. If I want it like the V shape or a U shape, I'll draw a line like this, and I'll pull like this. If I want, I'll pull it more. Looks like a V, isn't it? Yes, dear?
Yes. Ma'am, this is I do.
Huh?
This I do.
You did. I did. Say I did.
I did.
Very good. Very good. Understood how to use the curve option?
To the friend's house, I take his laptop and I start the and I open. I draw a house.
I drew a house. Very good. Very good.
I have a computer in my house.
Okay. Now listen. Mute your audios and listen. We'll see the next one. What is this tool called?
Circle tool.
It's not called circles tool. It has another name.
Oval tool.
Not oval tool.
Oval tool.
You know the name? It's called ellipse tool. Ellipse. Repeat after me. Ellipse. It's called ellipse.
Ellipse tool.
Ellipse. It's ellipse. E-L-L-I-P-S-E. Ellipse. It's not lips, dear. It's ellipse. 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 Don't pause there. Don't pause. Ellipse. I told that for you to understand. Okay. Ellipse. Ellipse. Very good. Yes. What is the ellipse tool used for? To draw circles and oval shapes. Okay. It's used to draw circles and oval shapes. Alright. Now we'll see the next one. What is this tool? Very easy.
Square tool.
Is it square?
Rectangle.
Rectangle tool. With rectangle, to draw squares like this.
Rectangle tool.
Yes. Yes. Now this is a square, isn't it? With squares, we can also draw rectangles.
Rectangles.
Yes. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Then we have another similar one. What is this called now?
Round rectangle.
What is it?
Round rectangle.
Rounded rectangle. This is called a rounded what?
Rounded rectangle.
It's called a rounded rectangle. See, the ends or the corners of it is rounded, isn't it? It's curved.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the corners of these are not pointed like the original rectangle or the square. It is rounded or it is curved in nature. So we call it rounded rectangle. What is this?
Rounded rectangle.
Rounded rectangle. Very good.
Rounded rectangle.
Yes. The next one. How many sides do this rectangle and squares have?
4.
4. Yes. Okay. Now with the next shapes tool, it's called the polygon. What is it called? Polygon.
Polygon.
Polygon. It's called polygon. With polygon, we can draw shapes with as many sides as possible. Okay. Let's try and draw one here. We'll try and draw one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18.
21.
It has 20 sides. Okay. Yes. Let me ask you, with the polygon tool, can we draw a four-sided figure?
No.
Why?
Yes. Yes. I can draw four.
Yes, we can. We can draw a rectangle. We can draw a square also. But the angles, the correct angles might not be always right if we use it. I'll show you. See, if I'm drawing a rectangle with this, and by mistake I made it like this. Is it a rectangle? Not exactly, isn't it? Yes, this part. See, look here. Area should be straight, isn't it? See, should be like this. It should be straight. This is slanting. It's a bit slanting, so it cannot be exactly a rectangle, but it can be a four-sided picture, a four-sided figure. Understood? Okay? Yes. So with polygon, we can draw figures with, or we can draw geometrical shapes with as many sides as possible. Clear? Is that clear, children? Yes. Okay. The next is this shape. Triangle. This is a triangle, and this is called a right angle triangle. Okay. Triangle. Okay. Have diamond shapes, arrow shapes like these. Brown. You want brown. Okay. Then we have different types of stars.
That's normal star.
Yes, 3 types of stars are available here. Then
Color.
conversation clouds. We call it conversation clouds.
Ma'am, we take a orange color. Boomer. Diamond. You take a orange color.
We have heart shape.
Let's draw that one.
We have the thunder shape. Okay.
My brother's laptop, this one.
This one is there. Okay, fine. Now we'll use the rest of the tools. Listen to me. Did you understand how to use the shapes tool? Yes. Okay. Now, if I want to fill this 20, how many sides did it have? 20, 24. That is, I want to fill it with yellow color. What will I do?
You must click in the color tool.
Okay, I selected the color tool. What should I do next?
Now click in the shape. 23 sides, ma'am.
Okay, I should click on the shape. I have to select yellow color and I have to click on the shape. See? Done. Okay, if I want it to be dark green, I'll fill it with that. Understood? Now, if I want to enter text on this big picture, what will I do?
You must click in the text tool.
Eraser tool to enter text.
The text tool.
Text tool. Select the text tool. Listen. Another important factor is you have to select the color. Okay, you have to select the color. I've selected the color. Then click on the area where you want to type the text. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. When I was young, I will draw the pictures in my computer and I
Yes,
will.
I have typed green here. See, once you are done, click on any area in the drawing area, then that's fixed. Okay. Now, if you want to see this bigger, which tool will you use?
Magnifier
Magnifier tool. Very good.
tool.
I select magnifier tool and then I go and click this area where green is written. What can we do to see that green? We can use the scroll bar on either side. See, it's bigger, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Now on the lower part of the screen on the right side, we have this plus and minus to reduce and increase the zoom. Zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Reduce it, becomes the normal one again. Then if I want to give a design on this picture, if I want to give a design on this picture with the spray paint type design, what will I do? Which tool can I use? Brush tool. Okay, we have to select the brush tool. Then which one should I select? The fourth one, isn't it? The fourth one, and then I can give a design like this. Yes. So see, again I take the magnifier tool, I click on this. So I can see that in an area this has gone outside the picture. See? This area, it's gone outside, isn't it? What can I do for that?
Click the eraser tool and eraser
Click on the eraser tool. We can erase that. Yes, we can erase that like this. Okay? Now you can zoom out. It's okay now, right? Yes. To use pencil tool, you can use it like this. See, 2B. Then, listen.
Ma'am, I cannot. I cannot see the 2B right.
You cannot see the 2B. Why is it so? Because I have written
White color.
color, that is one thing, and another part is I have used only the thickest one. If I select the thick one, see, if I draw a line here, you can see, no, clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I change the size of the lines. Okay, again I'll select the smallest, the thinnest one and show you. See the difference? Light, no? Yes. Okay. So that's it. We have learnt all the tools. And what is the pick color tool used for? Suppose if we are using the pencil, select the thickest one.
Size.
If you want to select a color from the picture itself, suppose I am clicking on, I have selected pick color tool. Then I am selecting this.
Ma'am,
I can draw with.
Gandhiji.
Yes. What?
Ma'am, I draw Gandhiji.
You draw Gandhiji. Are we talking about that now, Prarthana? You are talking about pick color tool, no? Okay, very good anyways. Where is it? Where is the picture?
Ma'am, in my father's house. I go
Okay, fine.
and I want to draw the picture.
All right. So did you understand all the points? All the shapes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now another important point that we have to notice. Suppose if we close this, we lose this picture, isn't it? We won't be able to get this picture back. So what will we do instead? What should we do? We have to save this picture. So I'll show you the steps to save the picture. Keep your audios muted. Okay, I'm going to show you how to save the picture. Okay, listen carefully. You'll click on this file option. On top of this screen, can you see a file option here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That's called a file option. You have to go and click there, file. Can you see an option, the fourth option, save as?
Yes.
Save as? Yes, you have to click there, save as. Now, from this, you have to select the location and also the name. You have to type a name for this. Okay, wait a minute. You have to click here and type a name. Suppose we save it as 2B. Okay? Then, yes, after that you have to click on the save option. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, I'll show you once more. Listen here. Everybody listen here. Click on file. Then click on save as. Then you have to give a name for this. Okay? I'm going to give it as 2B again. Okay? Now you can select it. Select a location for this. I have selected the desktop. Okay? Selected location for this. Click on save. Now it's saved. Okay, now we can close it. Which button will we press to close it?
Close button. Close button. Close button.
Now, let's see if it is present on the desktop or not. Okay. Can you see?
2B. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Press it.
No, ma'am. Yes,
carefully.
ma'am. I can see. I can see. I can see, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am. I can see. 2B.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's open it and see if it's our picture itself, our drawing, our painting itself. Is it the same?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Is it the same?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So that's how you save it. Understood? You have to click on file. Then you have to click on save as. Yes, save as. Then what should you do? Give a name. Set the location and click on save. Okay. Shall we write the steps? Otherwise you'll forget.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I can write the picture.
Just open your book and write these steps that I'm going to write on the board.
Okay, ma'am. I want to show the picture. Book or notebook.
If you want, you can draw in this. Sarah wants to show. Yes, what is it? Ah, beautiful, beautiful. Now, can we write this?
Which book we write? Rough book or notebook?
You have to write in the rough book. Okay. SAVING, saving, paint, document.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have no other rough book. I can write my notebook back page.
Yes, yes.
What is the spelling of save? Ma'am? Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
can I go to toilet?
Yes, yes. Go and come fast.
Ma'am, what the pain? What is the spelling of saving?
SAVING, saving.
Saving?
SAVING.
Tata, laptop li paint ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലേ?
Sarah. Right, sit and write, everybody.
And what is the spelling of the cement?
Huh? Document. 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 C-U-M-E-N-T.
Ma'am. And
D-O-C-U-M-E-N-T. Document.
ma'am, A. Ma'am, what is the spelling of click?
P-A-I-N-T. Paint. File is F-I-L-E. First point, click on File, then click on Save As.
Ma'am, the spelling is what?
Which one, dear?
A. S. A.
S-A-V-E. This is the one?
No.
Then S-A-V-I-N-G. Saving in the heading. Write fast. Please write fast.
What is the third question?
Rihan, write it. Don't sit simply.
Completed, ma'am.
Those who have completed, please read. I'm going to take the attendance now.
Ma'am, wallet completed. Ma'am, Pratana completed.
Everybody mute your audios. When I call your name, you can unmute. Mute. Keep your audios muted now. Agni T.S.
Present.
Abhinav MP.
Present, ma'am.
Adam Joe. Present. Edel Maria. Yes. Adinath.
Ma'am, Adam Joe present.
Yes. Adinath. Agnes Jojo.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Ma'am, Elaliga is present.
Edelan.
Elaliga is present.
Okay. Anaya.
Present, ma'am.
Arati Biju.
Present, ma'am.
Austin.
Present, ma'am.
Aisha Nashwa.
Present, ma'am.
Ayush.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Daniel.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Dhruva Prashant. Ivania.
Present, ma'am.
Yvonne.
Present, ma'am.
Hyatt.
Present,
Present.
ma'am.
Yes. Henry is present. Jewel Maria Sajo.
Present, ma'am.
Joanne Judy.
Present, ma'am.
Janita Jyoti.
Present, ma'am.
Karthik VP. Who has unmuted in between? Karthik VP. Absent. Krishna Priya.
Present, ma'am.
Malavika.
Present, ma'am.
Manav.
Present.
Present. Yes. Megdarsh is also present. Now Merin Justin.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Maithili.
Present.
Maithili. Muhammad Rishan.
Present.
Present. Prarthana. Present. Nakshatra. Rehan Hanifa.
Present, ma'am.
Ritvik Anne. Riza Nazmia. Riza. Sandria Fantin. Sandria Fantin. Sarah.
Present, ma'am.
Shrutakirti. Shrutakirti. Present or absent?
Absent, ma'am.
Absent. Okay. Siddharth. Yes. Sridhar. Yes. Tirtha is also present, no?
No.
Tirtha was present. Okay. So the absentees are Adinath is present? Yes. Isn't it?
Adinath is present.
Adinath
is present.
Dhruva is absent. Karthik is absent. Maithili, Nakshatra, Riza, Sandria and Shrutakirti. These are the absentees today. Okay? Yes. So we'll meet in the next class. Just revise these portions and come. Okay, children?
Okay, bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Take care.
Bye. Bye. Take care.